Lick you from your head to your toes, and I wanna move from the bed down to the.
Spike loves his new hat.
But like his whole body.
Ah!
Aw, Z, don't be so sassy. Let's see. If I were a cat, where could I lay down if I wanted to be exactly where my human didn't want me to be?
Ella, stop. Can I put my shoes on? Oh, please.
Was Bazoon ever cuter than she is now? I don't think so.
I don't get why y'all like my cat so much. I mean, all he does is scratch.
My God, I haven't seen my cat all day. Where is he? Hello? Did I forget to feed you? What?
Hey, buddy. Are you comfortable? Are you relaxed? Maybe?
So hip hop parade! Oh, hey, oh, hey.
Look, all you gotta do is walk across the line, okay? You don't have to give me your keys. Nah, you gotta give me your keys.
Can I just pet you, please? Why not? Come on. Stop.
No, get this cat out of here!
Dude, no,
Dude.
get the.
You need to get some food and like get the cat out of.
Oh my God!
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna get up.
Bye-bye.
Ain't nobody fucking with my click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresh.
Ella, what does the kitten say? What does the kitten say?
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
Sit up, wave, down, lower.
What do you have to say to all the people on Vine? Hi?
Kitty's gonna love when I bring food to him. Kitty, I brought food for you, okay? Why are you so mean to me, Kitty? Stop! Just shut. Stop! What the fuck are you doing?
It's like I'm a mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me. Ow.
Something tells me that he wants in.
The fearless feline got stuck on a telephone pole for... I believe I can fly.
How to tell when your cat's eating too much.
You full, buddy?